Hey everyone, is your Keurig stuck on preheating and won't brew? Yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to get your Keurig back to normal and brewing again. First, turn off and unplug your Keurig for about 5 minutes. Uh, this resets the internal electronics and can often fix a stuck preheating cycle. Next, make sure the water reservoir is full and properly seated. Yeah, if the machine can't detect water, it can stay stuck on preheating. Check the puncture needle and brew head for clogs. Coffee grounds or debris can prevent water flow, causing the machine to stall. Uh, Mineral buildup inside can block water and cause preheating issues. Fill the reservoir with descaling solution or equal parts, vinegar and water, then run a few water-only cycles to flush it out. Air trapped in the water line can also make the Keurig stall. Remove the reservoir, refill it, and tap gently on the sides to release any bubbles. After these steps, place a K-cup and brew a cup. Your Keurig should now preheat quickly and start brewing normally. If your Keurig still gets stuck on preheating, um, uh, the heating element or control board may be faulty. At that point, professional repair is usually the best solution. And that's it. You know, the fastest way to fix a Keurig stuck on preheating. If this helped, go ahead and like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more coffee machine tips and hacks. Hey,